Hey everyone, this video explains the status light on the Spectrum 6 router, detailing the meaning of solid, flashing and pulsing LEDs like blue and red for diagnostics. Blue lights shows normal operation or connection progress, while red or alternating colors signal issues like no internet firmware update or overheating. Understanding these lights help quickly diagnose and resolve connectivity or hardware problem. Off device is off. If the status light is off, the router is not receiving power. Check that the power cable is securely connected to both the router and the wall outlet. Try a different outlet or a power adapter if available. These steps help determine if the issue is simply a lack of power or a faulty power supply. Blue flashing. A blue flashing light means the router is starting up. Wait a few minutes for the device to complete its boot process. If the light remains flashing blue for an extended period, try restarting the router. This setup ensures the router has a time to initialize and can resolve temporary setup glitches. Blue pulsing. A blue pulsing light indicates the router is attempting to connect to the internet. Wait for the light to turn solid blue, which means the connection is successful. If it says pulsing, check your modem and internet cables. This helps confirm whether the router can communicate with your ISP and establish a connection. Blue solid, a solid blue light means the router is fully connected and operating normally. No action is needed. This confirms your internet connection is active and stable. Red pulsing. A red pulsing light signals the router cannot connect to the internet. Check all cables between your modem and router. Restart both the modem and router. If the issue persists, connect Spectrum support. These steps help resolve or identify problem with your internet service or hardware. Red and blue alternating. Alternating red and blue light means the router is updating its firmware. Do not unplug or turn off the router during its process. Wait for the update to finish. The router will restart automatically. This ensures the router software is up to date and prevent corruptions during update. Red and white alternating. Red and white alternating light indicate the router is overheating. Move the router to a well ventilated area and remove any obstructions. Allow the device to cool down before using it again. These steps protect the router from potential hardware damage due to excessive heat. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.